Today, we are diving into one of the most extreme performance packages Porsche has ever offered, the 911 GT3 rupees with the Manthey kit. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a whole new level of downforce, handling, and lap time busting performance. So, what exactly is the Manthey kit? Manthey Racing is a renowned motorsport outfit, originally an independent racing team, and now fully integrated with Porsche. They've been making performance parts for Porsche cars for years, and the Manthey kit is their extreme performance package for the 911 GT3 rupees. This kit takes an already remarkable car and pushes it to the edge, no holds barred. First up, the Aero. Now, we are talking about some serious downforce here. The Manthey kit is designed to improve stability at high speeds, and boy, does it do that. The kit includes a carbon fiber front lip, massive rear wing, gurney flaps on the fenders, and even a roof-mounted airflow deflector. Oh, and check out these carbon fiber wheel covers on the rear wheels, purely functional. They reduce drag while enhancing the car's aggressive look. Together, these modifications create an incredible 2,200 pounds of downforce at high speed, about 500 pounds more than the regular GT3 rupees. And the best part? Porsche claims it doesn't increase drag, meaning you get all that extra grip without compromising speed. But downforce isn't the only thing the Manthey kit improves. The suspension gets a serious upgrade too. The kit includes 30% stiffer springs up front and 15% stiffer in the rear, allowing the car to handle the extra downforce. On top of that, the semi-active coilover dampers get a new control unit, making them more responsive for precise handling, especially when you're pushing the car on track. Plus, there's a track mode that lets drivers manually adjust the dampers to their preference, so you can fine-tune the handling based on the conditions or your driving style. With more downforce and more cornering ability, the braking system gets an upgrade too. The GT3 rupees with the Manthey kit comes standard with steel-sheathed brake lines, and if you have the Porsche Ceramic Composite Brakes (PCCB) option, you can upgrade to special racing compound pads designed for track use. These will give you that extra stopping power when you're pushing the car to its limits. Of course, if you're going to make your GT3 rupees even more extreme, you might as well add a few personal touches. The Manthey kit offers some cool options, like illuminated door sills with the Manthey logo, colored decals for the wheel covers, and even a towing loop in red, black, or yellow, though Porsche reminds us, don't drive with it hanging out on public roads. So, how much faster is the Porsche 911 GT3 rupees Manthey kit? Well, Porsche hasn't been able to set an official Nürburgring Nordschleife lap time due to weather conditions, but we know it's going to be significantly faster than the stock GT3 rupees, which already holds an incredible lap time. We'll just have to wait until they hit the track, but rest assured, this kit is all about maximizing performance. If you are lucky enough to want one, the Manthey kit is available now, though it won't come cheap. For those outside Europe, the kit will be available starting in March 2025. The price? Well, let's just say it's Porsche, expect it to be premium, but for the kind of performance it delivers, it's worth every penny. The Porsche 911 GT3 rupees Manthey kit is the ultimate track-ready upgrade. More downforce, better handling, and that unmistakable Porsche performance, all in one. If you're a track enthusiast or just love speed, this is the upgrade to have. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews on the world's best performance cars. And let us know in the comments, what's your dream Porsche?